video we will learn how to create a new workbook in MS Excel. Okay, so Excel documents are called as workbooks. Each workbook has sheets, typically called spreadsheets. You can add as many sheets as you want to a workbook, or you can create a new workbook to keep your data separate. So how to open a or how to create a new workbook? Okay, so press this window office button. Okay, you will be having a new, so click that new icon. Okay, it will be asking for blank workbook like that. So select this blank workbook and give create and give create. Okay, so this is how we have to create a new workbook. So to create a workbook, just press file and then click new. Okay, then it will be asking for a blank document or blank worksheet like that. Select that and press the button create. So a new workbook will be created, opened. Okay, next we will see how to enter the data in the sheet, how to enter the data in the sheet. So first thing is you have to click any cell. So cell is nothing but intersection of a row and a column. So this is a intersection of a row and a column. So address of this cell is D6. D is column and 6 is row. Okay, so address of this column is D6. Okay, so if I want to change the font, press this select from that font tab. I want my favorite thing is comic. Okay, Comic Sans. My favorite font is Comic Sans. I want bold and I want the font size to be 12, right? So if you want to extend or you want to increase, one of the ways to increase the width is you can move this uh, border like this. Okay, so this is how you can increase the width of a cell. One of the way to increase the width of the cell. Just like you can changing the row, the column width, you can increase the row height or shrink the row height like this. Okay, so if I increase like this, the row height will be increased like this. If I want to shorten the row height like this, you can do. So now you know how to increase the width and height of a cell, right? Or else another option is there. For a particular cell, if you want to do like that, you can do like that. Okay, or for the entire cells in that particular row, right click it. Okay, you are having the option row height. So in this you have to current row height is 33. Now I am giving as 40. Okay, give the row height as 40, then click OK. Okay, so our aim is now to learn how to enter a data. So I have selected this empty cell. Okay, so address of this cell is D6, first column, then row D6. Okay, next type, this cell can accept any format of data, example a number or else letters like this. Okay, letter like this. So if you want to increase the size, you can increase. So any data can be entered on the particular cell. So if you want, once if you have entered, next you want to move to the next cell, means press enter, it goes to the row. If you are using tab, means it goes to the next column. So if you are using tab, means it moves to the column, next column, and if you are using enter key, means it moves to the next row, next cell in the row. Okay, so here I am entering the data as number. Okay, so I want to change, select that particular cell, change the font as Comic Sans, Comic Sans, and size has to be Comic Comic Sans, and size as like this 20. Okay, so this is how you have to enter your data. So to move to the next cell, you have to use either tab key or tab. If you are using tab key means it goes to the next um, column. If you are using enter key means it goes to the next row, okay, of same column. So this is how you can move to the move in and around the cell, and you can enter the data. So now you are clear how to enter a data. Next we can see how to apply the cell borders. How to apply the cell borders. Okay, now we will learn how to apply the cell borders. So this is the cell. I want to apply the border to this cell. So since in this workbook I am having only one cell, I select this one. If you are having more number of cells means, then select all the cells, uh, and you can go for the home tab. This is the home tab. Okay, in the font group, click the arrow next to the borders. Okay, so this is the border tab. Okay, click the arrow here and you can select the option. According to the option you can select your border style you want. Now I want all borders, so I am selecting all borders. See, so if I want some thickness means I have to go for thick border. See, this is how you are applying a border to your cells. Okay, so if I am having more values, for example, I am selecting all these rows and I want to increase the row height to 40, then I am giving like this. Okay, and okay, next. Okay, these are the names I have given. Okay, I want to change the fonts. Okay, I want to increase the fonts. Comic Sans, I want bold. Okay, size 80. Okay, so this is how I only for one cell I am having the border. So if I want to put the borders for the remaining cells, so select all the cells I need border, go for the home tab, in the font tab. Okay, select the border style you want. So I want all borders, so select that one. Now you can see you are getting a border for all your datas in the cell, right? So now you have learnt how to enter a data and how to apply a cell border. Okay, next we will see about cell shading. Next we will learn about cell shading. Okay, cell shading is nothing but it tells about the fill color. Okay, it tells about the fill color. So for example, if I am selecting this cell, okay, go for the home button and font tab. Okay, so select the this is fill color, right? This is fill color. Fill color is used to color the background of the selected cells. So press the arrow, select the color you want. Okay, I am selecting this orange. So see what happened to my data. Go for home, then font tab, go for the fill color, press the arrow mark, select the color you need. The particular cell will be filled with colors. Like this you can fill the color. Okay, like this you can fill the color for your cells. This is fill color. Like this you can have a fill color. Okay, so if you want to change the text color means, for example in this case I am having 14, here 55, 78, 89 and 90. Here I want to change the font name, and if you know the name of the font you can directly type, or else you can select from the options. Increase the size. Okay, I want in 16. Okay, bold. Okay, I want borders, so press this border style, select the border style. I want all borders. And the next thing is I want all the numbers to be have a center alignment. So go for alignment tab, select this center alignment. All the data will be moved to the center. Okay, so make use of alignment tabs for alignment. Okay, so what's done now, I want to change the text color. So this can be done with the help of home button, font tab, select this one, font color. This helps to change the text color. So which cell I have selected, the data will be changing into this color. See, I have selected red. So previously it was in black, now it has changed to red color. Okay, likewise if I want to change in some other color means like this I can change. You can make your Excel sheet more attractive, okay, by doing this. This is not visible, so I am changing to some other color, right? Okay, so next one is you have to know about the wrap text. For example, if I am typing like this, student name, like this, it goes the side. I'll change, I'll apply the borders. Okay, so all borders you can see, right? My particular heading goes out of the cell. Okay, I'll change my font name and I'll show you. Comic Sans, increased it to this one, bold. Now you can see my title of this cell or the data in the cell exceeds the size. So to increase the size I can go for this one, or else select the cell, right click it. Okay, right click it. Okay, right click it. You can have you will be having column width, or else you can keep your mouse pointer at this place and drag it like this, so it will be coming like this. So you can increase your column width like this. Okay, suppose I am entering a name of a person which is very lengthy, like this. Okay, which is very lengthy like this, it goes out of the range. So what can I do is I want to change the name, font name every time. It's very small, so I am changing the font to some like that. So this data is going out of the range. So for this purpose I can make use of the wrap text. So this helps to um, the content to visible within a cell with multiple lines, to display it on a multiple lines. So this helps the contents to be visible on a multiple lines. Okay, so I am pressing this. Now you can see, now you can see the data is available. So I can press like this alignment. Okay, so it will be within the content is visible within the cell. So this is how you can make use of your formatting. You can change the font name, font size, apply borders, fill colors. You can change the text color, you can make alignments, right? So if you want to change the uh, for orientation of the text, you can use this tab. Okay, next we have seen about the wrap text also. Okay, so merge and center is if you two data are available in a cell. Okay, for example, I want to merge these two cells. So select this one, merge and center. It will be treated as a single one. Okay, so whatever I am typing here, register dot number, register dot number, it will be appearing like this. So I want to make increase the font size as register number bold. So it is treated as a single one. Okay, I want to apply border, I want to change the color to like this. So this is the meaning of merge and center. Okay, so if you want to insert a column here, means right click on that particular one, go for insert. Okay, automatically a column is inserted. Okay, if you want to delete a particular column, right click it, you will be having a delete. It will delete the current selection of the row. The same can be done in the row also. If you want to insert, it will insert. If you want to delete, press that delete. Automatically the contents will be deleted. Okay,